After this day, there will be no curfews, no takas moments, because starting tomorrow, you and I will share a same house. And finally, I can officially call you my home.
Hand in hand, you enter marriage today. Hand in hand, you step out in faith.
As I stand here today, I vow to love you above all, next to God, to honor and support you in everything you do.
And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories. Time is moving faster than ever. We gotta try to capture forever enough. Yeah. And this is when the
Brian, do you take here Wilsa, present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church? I do. Wilsa, do you take Brian here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tomorrow becomes.
Ang love story namin ni Brian Patago, dahil strict ang parents ko, hindi ako pwedeng mag-boyfriend hanggat hindi ako nakatapos ng pag-aaral. Pero typical na makulit, na pasaway, na nag-boyfriend ako ng second year high school pa lang. Pero nandun ako sa part na papatunayan ko na kahit nag-boyfriend ako, tatapusin ko yung pag-aaral ko, na magiging proud sila sa akin.
Marriage is a sacrament. Sacrament are God's way of continually sharing, outpouring, giving His grace and love to us, His humanity.
Breaking every rule, I take the consequences after the fact. I was running my own clock. I was loving till it stops. I was nothing but cigar smoking pain with tequila to play till you, until you caught me on my good side, in that good life. I swear I wasn't like that, no. Until I got you on my good side, about that good life. I swear I wasn't like that, no. Good side. Good side. I swear you got no good sides. I swear you.
To my beloved wife, Wilsa, finally, after 15 years, we're here to start a new chapter of our lives together as one.
Sino ba naman ang mag-aakala na ikaw pala yung lalaking makakasama ko habang buhay? I've learned that love is not just a feeling. It's a choice, a commitment. And I promise that I'll choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'll choose you in 100 worlds. And I promise I'll find you. Because you're more than a soul. You're a piece of my soul. Above all, next to God, to honor and support you in everything you do. Especially to put God first and let Him be the center of our relationship.
And you're lost in this lonely light, trying to kill the pain you're feeling. Lost, but I'm here tonight, trying to chase away your demons. I'll scream it, I mean it, and I'ma stand by you till you find what you lost.
Brian, you may kiss your wife.